Hello everyone, this is Pavel from Recipe Card Blogs, and today I want to show you quickly a new feature we have just added in our plugin in version 4.0. So we call it All Recipe feature, which is basically a new page which will show you all recipes created using our plugin. Uh, I have here an installation with the Foodica theme installed on it, and the demo content is also imported. And I have a few posts which include recipes created using our plugin. And now if I go in the dashboard, you'll notice that here is a new page called All Recipes under the Recipe Cards section. Let's go and see what happens here. So even though I have already a few recipes created using the plugin, they are not showing here if I have just updated to the new version. So in order to show them here, you need to click on this button, Search Recipes. Let's see what happens. Okay, 8 recipes. So I'm gonna refresh the page. And now all my recipes were extracted from a post where I have added the block, and I have them here organized nicely. If I want to add a new recipe, now I have two options. I can either create a new recipe from this page, or I can go to post and create a new post just like before. Let's see what happens if I create a new post here. Okay. You can add here some text. Then let's say you include the recipe card block. You can fill all the details here, choose an image, add your ingredients. Now when I'm gonna click save or publish, okay, let's go with save. I'm going to this page back. You'll see that my recipe also appears here. So every time you will create new blog post and you'll add in them this block specifically, it will also generate it will show also your recipe here. Now in the future you can easily make changes to this recipe or to a different one, either from this page, or you can go to the parent page where the recipe was created. Also, there's another option to create recipes. So let's say you want first to create just the recipe block and later insert it in a page or a post. So now you can click on this button here, add new, and it will create a recipe. As you can see, I already have a recipe card block here inserted. So all I have to do is to fill all the details, add your images, another recipe. So now when I'm creating here, you can put all these details. Publish it. Now if I publish this recipe, it will not show anywhere on your website. It will simply be available in this list here with all the recipes. And now you can go, let's say, in another post to create a new post, yeah? So I'm gonna create a new post, and I will try to insert this recipe created here. So instead of using this block, recipe card block, you will need to use another block. You need to use the insert recipe, existing recipe block. I'm gonna click on it. And in this list, you can see all recipes created already on your blog. For example, I can choose my newly created recipe and publish this post. As you can see, this block won't allow you to make any changes to this recipe, but you can go back to this page and make any changes you want to it. So if I'm gonna add another ingredient, save these changes. You will see that it will also update the block in all the recipes where it was inserted. I also have a list here of all posts containing a specific recipe. You can do the same thing if you're using Elementor. Let's say I'm creating a new post, or let's say a page better. In Elementor, we have now two widgets for recipe card blocks. You can either use this block to create a new recipe, or you can insert an existing one. You can choose here a recipe, and it will appear. In case you don't see this button here, you can also find this option to import your old recipes. From the settings page, look in the Tools tab, and you can find this button here, so you have to click it. And it will also extract all the recipe blocks, all the recipes from all your posts, and you'll see them here. We hope that you like this new feature, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach to our team for assistance. You can also contact us quickly on our website by clicking on this icon here. Till next time.